It's time to go ahead and look at some more minerals today. First up is this really weird rock. It's one of my favorites because it's so weird looking and it's just a complete mystery. Not to mention, these last two sides right here are completely different from the rest of the rock. And this weird red V, what's going on here? Starting out, let's go ahead and look at the surface here. Right off the bat, this kind of just gives you like a crystal vibe, which makes me think this is a variant of quartz of some kind, though I could be wrong. The white spots though are definitely different. In this hole right here, it appears that we got a microcrystal, or some sort of shiny mineral. While this hole up here appears to have something as well, though it's different. It almost looks like maybe plant debris or maybe even a spider skin of some kind, probably something that isn't actually a rock. Looking more at the surface here, you can really see that brown underneath the crystals, and then over here is a weird spot of roughness, and then back to the smooth crystal. This rock also has a lot of holes in it. Maybe there were even gas bubbles at some point, which makes me think this rock probably cooled down fast, which means igneous extrusive, though it could also be a metamorphic. If it is a metamorphic, maybe it's some very weird, strange variant of quartzite, though I don't think so. Either way, this rock is very strange, and I still don't understand it very well. Moving on to the underside, you can already tell that this looks completely different, and here's the red V, by the way. This red V kind of appears to have some metal within the cracks of it as well, which makes me think it's just rust iron. Here's one of the big white spots. To be real with you, this doesn't really give me quartz vibes. Maybe calcite, but I don't really know calcite at all, so it could be something else entirely. Could still be just quartz though. Next up, we're going to go ahead and try this rock debris I got from when I was cleaning some of the rocks, including that gold pyrite one. Starting away from the main pile, as we move closer, you can see more and more stuff, including some weird shaped stuff. We've now made it to the main pile. Looks like we got a lot of quartz, including some clear quartz. We got some green minerals, some random red and other weird colored minerals, and some other random stuff, which I have no clue what any of this is for the most part. Here's one of the biggest, most reflective pieces right here. I'm not really sure what this is. It kind of gives a green vibe, and it kind of looks like maybe a mica, though I don't know. It's hard to tell. And finally, it's time for some river sand, which may have gold in it. We'll see. Right off the bat, I can already tell you there's like a trillion different minerals here. This round red mineral right here is really cool looking. Moving on, here's another big chunk of rock mixed in with the sand, of course, and then there's just so much to look at here. I found this cool shiny mineral. There's also a lot of clear quartz around here. Anyways, that's pretty much it though. I'll see you guys in the next episode.